Hello, everyone. Today, I'm drawing a pickup truck. Let's draw and paint together. I love drawing and painting vehicles. Please try to draw with me. This pickup truck is so huge. It has a powerful engine. Let's draw its mirror and windows. It looks so beautiful. It's painting time. Let's start with the green color. Add red color. Yellow. Let's add blue in the windows. This truck is so colorful, isn't it? Add some purple. Add beautiful orange backside of the pickup truck. Pink. Gray and brown in the tires. What a lovely pickup truck picture. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you on next video.